On June 8, 2025, a Chinese researcher arriving at Detroit Metropolitan Airport was arrested by federal authorities. Instead of starting her research at the University of Michigan, she was taken into custody, accused of illegally importing biological material, specifically research worms, without the required permits. The FBI and customs officials had already intercepted shipments she sent ahead, including samples hidden inside a hollowed-out book. The case has shocked the academic community, highlighting the strict regulations on international scientific exchange and the severe consequences of violating them. The student, from Huazhong University of Science and Technology, now awaits a bond hearing, her future uncertain. Authorities stress that even seemingly harmless biological materials require full transparency and government approval. The government's message is clear: rules for importing scientific materials are non-negotiable, regardless of intent. This incident stands as a cautionary tale for researchers worldwide about the importance of following protocols when moving sensitive materials across borders. This arrest is part of a growing pattern involving researchers from China attempting to bring undeclared biological materials into the U.S. Just last week, 2 other Chinese scientists were charged with smuggling a toxic fungus, one of whom was already working at the University of Michigan. Another was denied entry at Detroit Airport, preventing the dangerous material from entering the country. These incidents have put border officials on high alert, especially regarding biological samples from regions of concern. U.S. Attorney Jerome Gorgon Jr. emphasized that any smuggling of biological materials is a threat to national security, regardless of the perceived risk. The core issue is maintaining the integrity of the system that monitors and controls all biological imports. These cases highlight the tension between open scientific collaboration and the need for strict biosecurity. Federal agencies are prioritizing security, sending a strong message that violations will be prosecuted. The result: increased scrutiny and a more cautious approach to international research exchanges. Even non-dangerous biological materials are subject to strict regulations for good reason. Experts note that while the worms in this case aren't a major threat, the rules exist to prevent unintended consequences, like invasive species or contamination. Permits and inspections ensure that all samples are properly identified, contained, and safe for import. Customs officials warn that rule-breaking damages the reputation of the entire academic community, making it harder for honest researchers to gain trust and clearance. Every violation increases scrutiny, delays projects, and can jeopardize future collaborations. The permit process creates a paper trail, allowing agencies to track and respond to potential risks quickly. These rules are essential to national biosecurity and public health. Compliance isn't just bureaucratic, it's foundational to safe, responsible science. For researchers, understanding and respecting these protocols is non-negotiable. The fallout from these incidents extends far beyond the individuals involved. They create a chilling effect on international scientific collaboration, making visa processes and project approvals more difficult for everyone. Honest scholars now face increased suspicion and delays, especially those from countries under scrutiny. This environment risks slowing scientific progress and straining diplomatic and academic relationships. Universities may hesitate to partner internationally, fearing legal and reputational risks. The lesson is clear: participating in global research requires strict adherence to host country laws and ethical standards. Science thrives on openness, but trust must be earned and maintained. Only by upholding transparency and integrity can international research continue to benefit all.